after living in Texas for a little over a year now, I've realized there's kind of a lot to do in this giant state. Tons of good fishing, amazing hunting, the sightseeing's insane. It's like a giant desert. But the one thing I have not done since I've lived here is go off-roading. And it's stupid because I've got probably one of the most capable slash affordable off-roading machines, that being this little rig runner right here. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take this thing officially off-road for the first time. My mom, the wiener pup, and myself have traveled about an hour and a half west of Dallas, this place called, I think it's North Park off Highway V. What's Northwest OHV Park? And this place is basically just a giant playground for you to take your whip and just ride around. You just get after it. I don't know what to expect, so we're gonna go and pay the fee and see what happens.
There you are.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Got a wristband. So does this mean it? We're in?
We're in.
Oh, we're in. It was easy. Oh my God, look at that thing.
What thing?
That's sick.
Holy shamoly.
That thing is really cool. The rig runner it's not that cool. It's just pretty basic. There's some FJ Cruisers over there. You ready?
Let's do it.
How many times have you been off-roading?
Twice.
I've been, let's see, I've been once, but it wasn't in my car. I was just riding shotgun. We went up in the hills of Colorado. That was some serious off-roading.
Can I drive a little bit today?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
She can't drive though.
So what are the different colors?
I don't know. There's the map.
Oh wait, here's the legend on the map. Blue is moderate, and red is difficult. Black is extremely
It's called
extreme
No
trail.
Winch Hill.
And then there's.
Let's go on black.
Okay, you know what? I'll tell you what. Let's start off on the easy trail, on the green.
Okay, let's see what we can handle. All right, so we're gonna start small, then work our way up. I have a feeling we're gonna stop at probably the mid-tier, the higher level roads. This is a totally stock rigged runner. It's not rock climbing ready, but we'll give it a go. We'll try it out. We'll push the limits. She says she doesn't think we can get up that. She wants to go up that one. I don't see the big deal.
Oh, there's a really big
We've got
deal.
lots of balance. Look at all the stuff in the back. We've got
you know,
good weight distribution.
I
What?
don't want a top water stuck in my eye by the time we're done.
You mean this crank? We got crankbaits.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Okay, to her defense, that makes sense. You ready? Here comes our first hill. I'm gonna throw it in.
Four-wheel drive?
Four-wheel. Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah, monkey Lou.
Oh. What'd you think of that?
I don't know, I closed my
Look at
eyes
that.
the whole time.
Hey, that's awesome. We did it.
We did it. We got up. Yeah.
It felt like when you're standing and
I
looking at
know.
it from outside of the car, it looks like nothing. But when you're in the car and you're going up, it's like, I don't know if this car is able to do it. Okay, so I don't know what course, do you have any, if you had to guess, what course was that? It's tough to tell.
I would say that's probably moderate.
I think that was either moderate or easy. We just got finished doing what we think is either the moderate easy course. We're gonna go check out some other courses, see what else there is. I think that's probably where we have to stop. I know like that hill may have looked like nothing to you guys, but in this car, for an unexperienced overlander off-roader like myself, that was just like super spooky. I was like, come on, make it, make it. I am not in any shape or form ready for this. Oh wow, look at that view.
No, you're not gonna go over that, are you?
No,
Please don't, please don't.
Mom, look at the view though. I'm not going over it.
See it.
Mom, it's a cliff. It's a cliff.
It's a great view.
Okay, so this
but
is
if
the
we
expert.
go-
This is the expert course. You
I
just
would
drive
say this
straight
is
off
the
a cliff.
course is what I think.
No, check out this view though. It's really sick. That's all. She thought I was gonna drive over this. She's over here sweating beads. Two enjoyments right now. One, I'm off-roading my rig runner. I'm also freaking out my mom. This is so much fun. There you go. They're getting after it. That thing's wild looking.
Oh.
I understand now. So
that may be more difficult.
I think more
stars.
or more diamonds, the harder it is. I'm like a 1 diamond.
I think that.
Yeah.
I think that. Yeah. 2 is pushing it.
2's pushing it. We're a 1 diamond today.
Oh, how you doing, John?
All right. My right side definitely doesn't have any more pain. That's for sure.
Woo! Did you feel that lucky?
She's never gonna want to drive after. after this. She will never, ever go with me in the car after this. No idea what's on the other side. I love that. That's a good feeling. Oh, we did it. That was easy. Last minute shake and rattle. We've met a serious fork in the road. We don't know which route we should take. They all look pretty f***ing scary. Which one do you think?
This one.
The right? Yeah, but the right. See how that middle, it comes up as a ridge. What if that scrapes my Okay. Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah. We've got 3, count them, 3 paths we can take right now. We got uno, dos, or tres. You guys, right now, comment section below, guide us. Tell me which route you think I should take. I'm half being serious. I kind of wish I had you guys input right now because I don't know which one I should take. I know I'm being a giant wussy, but I've never done this before, so it's like all new territory. I'm thinking that one, but my mom says that one. That one's like a straight 95-degree angle. So which one did you say? The middle one?
Middle one.
Okay.
Middle one.
Wow, that's the one I didn't want to do.
Really?
Really, yeah.
Oh, wait, stop. I changed my mind.
You changed your mind, sure?
Oh, yes.
I don't think we can't even do it.
Oh, geez, Jonathan, we're straight up.
I know, we're straight up it.
Try that one.
That one looks even worse.
Okay, so try the other one.
That's what I want to try, the one to the right.
Okay, try the other one to the right.
There's a straight 95-degree angle on that one. I don't know if we can get up any of these ones. This one, I think we can do this one. Yeah, this one's possible. There we go. Ain't no thing. Ain't no thing. That was easy. The one you chose though, that one is scary as fuck. Okay, I'm like this. The steering wheel is like this. I'm like, okay, tell me when we can go down because I don't want to do this one. But you do have to take it slow. I mean, this is basically off-road capable mom-mobile. No offense, by the way.
No offense taken.
And with that said, she's gonna get behind the wheel now and do the same hill that I just did. I will say, I mean, I don't think there's any way you can mess it up. It's not that hard of a hill, but just watch where the tires are at. I'd put them in the middle. Okay, ready?
Got it.
You got this. Okay, drone is up just in case we flip the car. You got this. Just slow, but keep on the gas. See my tire marks right there? Yeah. I got a dog down. Oh, there you go. You got this, you got this, you got this. Nice job. That was awesome. That was super badass. Okay, she's still going. Okay. All right, easy.
You okay, son?
Yeah, I'm good.
Just checking.
Take her
Just want to make
easy.
sure you're okay.
Take her easy. You're on a roll, just keep going. Okay,
Let's
just
go.
slow. There's no need to go fast.
I understand.
There's no need to go fast.
You're not scared, are you, son?
No, I'm not scared.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. My stomach is in my throat right now.
Do you want me to keep going? Do you want me to back up?
See if you can get over that.
Okay.
Just really slow, really slow. There's no need to go fast. Really slow. Okay.
That one might be kind of crazy.
You might be fine. No, that one's fine. Just here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put you on downhill. Okay, so just slow.
Should we get out and left for it? I can't see it turn.
You're fine. Yeah, no, you're good. You want to turn a little bit to the right. If you just ripped around that, you can do this.
Okay.
I think you're good.
The thing is I really can't see.
That's fine. No, you're okay. Slowly tapping the brake. You're doing good. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Okay. You're good. Turn right a little bit. You're good. You're good. You're good. Slow, 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 slow. You got this. All right. There we go. You did it. Okay, stop right here. Stop right there. Nice job. No, please don't. These are all rocks. Just keep going down, I guess. No, don't go this way. This is more rocks. F me, that was f***ing scary. I'm sweating so. Okay, just. My flip-flops are wet just from sweat.
Was it because you didn't trust me?
No, I trusted you, but we were going on roads we didn't go before. You kind of just took matters in your own hand and scared the living shit out of me. I'm like looking at the drone, I'm like, that's rock. Don't. It's all good. Hey, high five.
High five.
That was badass. All right, let's assess the damages. Let's start with, oh, there's some bird poop. That's cool. All right, I think on this side we got some scratches. Nothing crazy. Oh yeah, some scratches there. No biggie. Nice one big one right there. Pretty much you can just kind of Just kind of rub those out maybe. I don't know, maybe not. These scratches were super avoidable, but I just, you know, again, first time on the road, or I guess off the road. Yeah, wow, look at this scratch. This one's juicy. You got a scratch that starts all the way over here. Keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Wow, that one, that's a good scratch. I got an A+ for that scratch. Oh, there was a point in time, I don't know if I was really filming for this, but there was a point in time in which I was going over this hill that like went up and then down like too quickly to the point where it was like a big hump. I like looked out my car and saw that my running boards were smushed up against some rocks. So I'm guessing there's probably some running board damage. That's kind of okay though, because I actually don't really plan on keeping these running boards. They're nice, but they really kind of make it hard to go off-road. I don't think that anything is really damaged too much down here. The gas tank, I think this is the gas tank, did get dented though. You can tell where it for sure 100% hit a rock. Where else? I heard some other pops up front. Oh, I think my skid plate hit something. Under here, we popped something for sure. This plastic piece is actually perfectly fine. I don't know how it is. But there was one rock, and I think that's the mark right there. You can barely see it, but there was one rock that we hit that hit this skid plate. This is a skid plate, right? I don't know. I'm talking out of my ass right now. Yeah, I don't see too many like crazy issues, to be honest. There was like not... Hi. Hello. I thought there'd be a lot more damage. Like, we did take this thing and some stuff that it should not have been in. And to my surprise, it did pretty damn good. Oh, would you say, what was that one more time?
You got some major scratches.
Some major scratches, yeah, I know. I saw that major scratch. You see this major scratch? It starts all the way at the headlight. Yeah, but this is way cooler than being keyed though. It'll be all right.
Maybe not.
Hey, we survived, and that's all that matters. We completed the off-road mission. That was a major success. So much fun. Even though I'm an absolute noob, I love whipping around in this thing. It is just a freaking beast. You get in there. Hey, you get in there. You better run, you little wiener. You better run. Get your belly. Oh, I get your belly. You're no match for a belly rub, aren't you? Oh, what an incredible day that was. My God, so much fun. I think I try too hard to make just fishing videos. And I keep forgetting that there's so many other great, amazing things out there to film and capture on footage to share with you guys at home. I think the only person that didn't enjoy it was this little thing. That's right, you get in your box, bad pup. But in all seriousness, it was an amazing day. Huge shout out to my mom for being here this entire week. I kind of took a leave of absence. I've been looking for this house, this perfect house I've been wanting to move in for, I mean, it's been about a year now, and I think we might have finally found it, and I could not have done it without my mom. So huge shout out to my mom. We had so much fun today. It's not often that we get to hang out just because I'm running around in freaking Africa, Texas, whatever, and this was just a really cool experience for me to like hang out with my mom. So that's a little message to all you guys. Hang out with your moms. Or if you don't have a mom, hang out with your dad. Just be with your family, be with your friends, do something fun and different. This was so wildly fun and different. I wish I could do it all over again, honestly. In other news, check out this last clip. This is basically the last off-roading shot. Just get a good glimpse of this. Okay, through and drive. Oh, the hitch nails the hump. Then I try to go over this other hump, which is like right there. And there's a little bit of a cracky going on underneath the car. I am such a weenie when it comes to cars. Like I really, obviously want to use and abuse this thing. It is a tool, but it's the $30-something thousand tool. And it is my nicest car that I own. So I don't necessarily want to just roll it down a hill and be like, huh, whatever. Aside from the day, I've got some extra special Runner news. We gotta go back to the truck to show you though. Let's crank this puppy open. Okay, soak it all in right now, guys. This is your last chance to get a look at this flimsy Toyota engine bay cover. This 4-liter V6, it's gonna have something on top of it here in a few short days. Not doing anything cosmetically to it, not lifting it, not putting 30 light bars on it, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put something under that hood. Or I mean, I guess not me personally, but I'm gonna drive to a place in which some individuals, very talented individuals, are gonna put something juicy under that Yoda hood. Any guesses? How about this? How about this? Just a few weeks ago, I got this picture sent to me of some mail that came delivered. Now you can guess. Now you can guess. Anyway, this is gonna cause quite some turmoil in the comment section below. I know a lot of you car heads, a lot of you Toyota heads will probably be like, what the hell are you doing? Don't do that. But then a lot of you guys might also be like, All right, this could be actually really sick. I'm gonna close this and get back inside because it's 1,000 degrees out. So I am currently right there. And in about 2 days, I'll be driving from there all the way over there. So my big expedition starts on Monday. I'm driving from Dallas to Albuquerque, New Mexico. But it is just gonna be a crazy trip. I've never been to New Mexico. I've never put anything in my vehicle before. I never modded a vehicle my entire life. I really hope you guys are digging this video. Just wanna keep you guys updated, let you guys know what's going on. Again, my message for today, hang out with your parents, hang out with your moms, your dads, or just your one mom or one dad if it's singular and you don't have like multiple parents. Anyway, I'm signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to give this video a like. If you think Lucky should be whipping the vehicle in the next video, what do you think? You get your permit in a few days. You're legal. You're officially legal. You're a legal wiener. And don't forget to drop a comment if you want more videos like this. I need to hear from you guys. If I don't hear from you guys, then I'm just gonna keep making the same old boring videos. But that's it. That's all for now. Thank you guys for the view. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.